Now let's talk about a simple overview of how evidence from living species gives clues about evolution. So there's a few different categories that we can look at in living species that give us evidence for evolution. So the first one would be anatomy. So species that share similar anatomy or similar body features, but that are different species, often have those similar features because they evolved from the same common ancestor. Molecular biology. So similarly to physical features, if you look at a molecular level, different species can display similarities molecularly, so particularly in their DNA. So if you look at gene sequences from different species and observe commonalities between them, that can show that they were also derived from and evolved from a common ancestor. And then biogeography is another area we can look at for evidence of evolution. So when you look at the global distribution of species and the unique features of those species, depending on where they are in the world, then you can make hypothesize about the common ancestors that they were derived from and how they evolved differently depending on where they are in the world. And natural selection works to bring out different features depending on their environments. Fossils is another piece of evidence we can look at for evidence of evolution, but fossils are not living things, so we're not going to talk about that one. And then direct observation, we can look at examples directly and in real time to see evidence of evolution, such as bacterial species that are able to evolve antibiotic resistance